Hey, welcome to another episode. I'm Dr. Frankensteel. If you want to see how I made these brass coins, stay tuned. So I've kind of been in the casting mood lately, casting a lot of different parts. So this time around, I made some brass coins. I went onto Thingiverse and I found a coin that I liked, or that was kind of close to what I was thinking of. First, I started with an AutoCAD program called Tinkercad. It's very easy to use. There's multiple different programs you can use to make 3D models. It didn't exactly have the skull or the biohazard, but it had something what I wanted from it, like the gear kind of look to it. Then I found another coin with a skull on it and a biohazard. It had a whole bunch of other stuff on there, but I didn't want all that. So I uploaded the 3D model from Thingiverse to Tinkercad. And then I went to work on it. And then the final product of me working on it on Tinkercad was this 3D model. Now I went ahead and uploaded that 3D model to my slicing program for my 3D printer. So from Thingiverse to Tinkercad, then to my slicer for my printer. Then I printed it. I got the 3D model from the printer to cast here in the shop. So I made 4, so just in case I messed one up, I had spares. Could have went a different way with it, but for the tools I have, it was kind of like the easiest way to go. I could have took a piece of metal and shaped it to how I wanted it. It would have taken hours upon hours compared to the method that I did use. And if I got the carved piece wrong, then I'd have to recarve another one. Now, if I needed to change the 3D model, all I had to do is go back into Tinkercad, change it up a little bit, and then try again. It was a lot easier doing this method. So I went to Thingiverse, Tinkercad, 3D print. So 3D printing, I use PLA or PLA Plus. This time around, I just had the regular PLA, some cheap stuff. So the 3D model wasn't this thickness, didn't have the biohazard or the skull exactly like this. The skull itself was like really tiny. I blew it up to that size. Now for the material that I was pouring, I had different types of brass. I used bullet casings, old plumbing fittings, really anything that I found that was brass I used. So here is the production process of me making all the coins. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments and enjoy the video. So if you like this video, like and subscribe. It really supports my channel. I appreciate all of my subscribers thus far. It has been 3 years, or no, has it been 3 years? I think 2.5 years. I think it's been 2.5 years since I've had this channel going. And if you got any questions or comments, let me know down in the comments. I'll try to answer, respond the best I can. So let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.